it as you go.
Yeah.
So that's already becoming, you know, quite a nice sort of starting point. Probably a little bit more colour in that. And again, you know, because I'm mixing it, I've got all the different sort of colours coming out in that. So here I'm actually aiming at getting the colours. You see what I'm doing? Just scraping it. This is where I like a flat palette, because on a plate this is much more difficult to do. So beginning to get some sort of quite nice, maybe a little bit warmer. And I think, you know, that field that we were all quite sort of interested in that lovely ochre. I mean, there is a ready-made yellow ochre in here if anybody would like to use it, but I struggle with bought yellow ochre in any medium.
Yeah.
It's very dead.
It is dead,
It's
isn't
a
it?
very, very solid. It's an opaque colour as opposed to a translucent, so no light comes through it, so you won't see anything from sort of underneath, and that can...
It's almost a bit Naples, is it?
Naples is similar, so there's a sort of pinker
That's
version.
beautiful, salmony, pinky, lovely.
And if I wanted to just tone it down, I might just have a tiny hint of just, so little by little, you know, just pulling them in. That's almost flesh, you see. If you were
So
doing
what
light
colour have you
drawing,
put in there then?
tiny bit of the Prussian blue in it.
Right.
See, I think that's more ochre. Is ochre orangey then? I think.
Can be, depends on what make you use.
Yeah,
Raw
it is
sienna
like
is much nicer. I mean, we have
Yes.
got raw sienna if anybody would like to use the raw sienna.
Lovely. That's really, oh, gorgeous.
So, you know, to be getting those different tones on your fields, and actually, you know, when I look at this field out here, and just try and sort of think, you know, this field out here, is this sort of colour, really, isn't it? It is. And then I can sort of warm that up, you know, to put on my field next to it. I can sort of say, okay, well, I want my field next to it to be, actually I probably want it to be greener, so I might say, well, let's try making a bit of yellow and blue.
You talk about the unmown field.
I'm talking about this big one, the first one above the green.
Yeah.
It's sort of very ochre-y.
Yeah.
So I
Beautiful
might
sky
then say
today. Look at that sky.
I'd say
I love the sky,
So this is
Andy.
my green, you see, which I've used the Prussian and the yellow. But these colours, because they've come from the same base, will work on the paper together. They'll harmonise because they've all come from that same starting point. And again, you know, to be sort of toning that one down,
So you added white then, did you? What
just
did you
added a
add?
little bit of white.
Right.
So this is where, you know, use as many colours as you like, but you make it harder for yourself the more colours you have. If you've got your three primaries, your red, your yellow and your blue, that should be enough. It's finding the right red, yellow and blue.
I was just
though.
about to say, you can almost
Yeah.
use any red, even going off
You
to the
can,
brownie
you
reds,
can.
can't you?
I'm
As long
just
as you've
going
got something
to-
in the red family and the brown.
I'm just going to show you this rather beautiful dark with the raw umber. So, a little bit of the brown. And also on your palette, things dry out quite quickly, so I can scrape a lot of this away to get clean palette. Stop filming so